Hi everyone, and welcome to the Droidgy channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing what to do when apps stop responding on your Android phone. Everyone has a variety of applications on their mobile devices, such as video players, music apps, chat clients, and other entertainment tools. Android users access different apps at various times throughout the day, but occasionally, you might open an app only to find that it isn't working properly. What should you do in such a situation? Don't worry, we have several tips and tricks to help you fix apps that aren't working on your Android device. Follow along with us as we attempt to resolve this issue together. This video is applicable to a wide range of phone models, including Samsung, Huawei, Xiaomi, OnePlus, Vivo, Oppo, Sony, LG, and HTC. Please watch the entire video patiently. Apps failing to respond on an Android phone can be caused by a variety of factors, such as failed app updates, insufficient storage space, temporary device glitches, outdated applications, or app incompatibility. Any of these issues could be the reason why your apps have stopped working. Understanding the root cause of the problem can help you prevent it from recurring in the future. So, how do you actually fix apps that aren't responding on your Android phone? There's no need to panic, this issue isn't difficult to resolve, and your device could be back to normal functioning within just a few minutes. Below, we've compiled several solutions for fixing apps that keep crashing on Android phones. Please try them out patiently, we are confident that your issue will ultimately be resolved. Finally, if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing, giving it a thumbs up, or leaving a comment to let us know which method worked for you. Method 1. Force restart. Typically, whenever an Android phone encounters a problem, the first step you should try is to force restart the device. A force restart can clear out temporary system glitches and help your Android phone run at its optimal performance level. Therefore, to troubleshoot unresponsive apps on your Android device, try performing a force restart. To force restart your Android phone, you will need to press and hold a specific combination of physical buttons on your device. For the Samsung phone shown in this video, the button combination for a force restart is the power button combined with the volume down button. Please press and hold the appropriate button combination for your specific phone model for 10 to 15 seconds. Once the phone's brand logo appears on the screen, you can release the buttons, and your device will automatically restart. After restarting your device, the issue of apps crashing should be resolved, allowing your applications to function normally again. If the problem persists, please proceed to the next solution. Method 2. Clear storage space. Memory is an essential component for running applications on an Android phone. If your Android device runs low on memory, you may encounter issues such as lag, black screens, system freezes, or apps failing to open. Therefore, memory is critical to your phone's performance. To verify whether you have sufficient storage space, please follow the steps below. To check and clear storage space, first, open your phone's settings. Within Settings, locate and tap General Management. Once in the General Management interface, tap Storage. On the storage screen, check to see if your available space is at 15% or less. If it is, please free up storage space by deleting unnecessary files or uploading some files to the cloud. Once the storage cleanup is complete, try opening the application again to see if it runs normally. If it does, the issue of the app refusing to work properly has been resolved. Method 3. Uninstall and reinstall the app. If the issue, such as the screen becoming unresponsive when opening apps on Android, is caused by an outdated or incompatible application, we recommend that you uninstall the app and then reinstall it. Please proceed to uninstall the application using your preferred method, and then reinstall it. Once this process is complete, the problem of apps constantly crashing should be resolved. Method 4. Check for and install updates. Conflicts between the Android operating system and a specific application can also lead to situations where apps stop responding on your Android phone. To address this, we recommend navigating to Settings to check if any new system updates are available. To check for Android system updates, tap Settings, locate and tap System to enter the system interface, and then tap Software Update or System Update. Here, you can see if there are any pending system updates. If an update is available, please install it immediately. After the update installation begins, your phone may automatically restart. Once the process is complete, try opening and running the application again. If the issue was caused by an outdated system version, the update should resolve the problem of apps not responding on your Android device. Method 5. Check your network connection. A poor or non-functional network connection on your device can also cause applications to stop working on your Android phone. In such cases, optimizing your network signal can often resolve the issue. Therefore, please verify that your current network connection is functioning correctly and is stable. If the application failing to launch happens to be one that requires a high volume of data, or a strong connection, then a network issue is likely the culprit. Method 6. Reset your device. resetting your device should be considered your last resort. If none of the methods outlined above prove effective, then resetting your device may be your only remaining option. Resetting your device will delete all data stored on your Android phone. Therefore, if you have any data on your phone that you need to keep, please back it up before performing the reset, otherwise, it will be permanently lost. Next, please follow the steps below to perform a reset and fix an installed Android app that isn't working. To reset your Android phone, first tap on the Settings icon. Once inside Settings, locate and tap on General Management. Within the General Management menu, find the Reset option, tap on it, and then select Factory Data Reset. At this point, your Android phone will automatically restart. Please wait patiently while the device reboots. Once the reset process is complete, your phone will start up again, and all data will have been erased. Finally, follow the on-screen prompts to set up your Android phone again. Once the setup is finished, re-download and open the application to see if it is now functioning correctly. If it works properly, this indicates that the issue, where certain apps were not working on your Android phone, has been resolved. Method 7 involves contacting a professional technician. If none of the methods mentioned above prove effective, we may be unable to provide further guidance on how to fix the Android app that has stopped working. The issue may be hardware related. To ensure that all your Android apps continue to function properly, you will need to contact a professional technician. They can assist you in further diagnosing and confirming the problem, and, if possible, repair your device for you. That concludes today's video. If you found this video helpful and appreciate the work we've done, please give us a like, share this video, and let us know in the comments section which method helped you resolve your issue. Additionally, if you feel there are areas where we could improve, please feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section as well. Thank you. Good luck.